how to turn your active off on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can turn your active off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to turn your active off on Instagram, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just come to the profile tab from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile tab from the bottom right, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, and then you want to simply go to this option known as settings. Once you go to the settings option here, what you want to do is just go to privacy, and once you go to privacy again, just scroll and then look for the option known as activated status. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on activated status, and once you tap on activated status, you can see both of these toggles are turned on. And if you want to turn your active off on Instagram, you just need to make sure to turn off these toggles and no one else will be able to view your active status. This way you can turn your active off on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.